All right, let's move on to the next manufacturer spending technique. This is like the most popular one. This is the one you hear the most about. It is gift cards. So you're buying either Visa or MasterCard gift cards, and then you're liquidating them to pay off the credit card bill while still securing the points from the purchase that you made of the gift card. So there are many different ways to go about buying these gift cards, and there are a few different ways about liquidating the gift cards. I'm going to show you a forum that you can follow. It shows you all the different ways you can buy gift cards. I'm going to go over a few of them, and I'm going to show you or tell you how you can liquidate these gift cards. All right, so here is one form that you can follow. It'll show you a ton of different ways to actually buy these gift cards. I'll put this link here below. So one of the most popular ways is giftcards.com. You are going to pay a 6.9% or 6.95 fee to actually buy the card. Then there's shipping involved, obviously. Whenever you're doing MS, it is important to be paying the lowest amount of fees because that's the whole reason why you're MSing in the first place. Usually is to actually pull the cash out of the card and either make money off the points or just pay a very little transaction fee so you can actually leverage the cash in making a purchase. So this is one of the most popular ways. You can do about 2,500, which is 5 gift cards with a value of 500. Most of the gift cards are going to be capped at $500. So this is one way. It's just kind of expensive. The best way, most popular way, at least for the people that know what they're doing, is to go to Simon Malls. So you can just go to find. I think it's like just type in on Google find a Simon Mall, and you can put in your zip code, and it'll show you exactly where the closest Simon Mall is. And Simon Malls issue gift cards that are not really detectable by most credit card companies as a cash purchase. It doesn't flag anything because of how they code these transactions. So that's why you want to buy these. Most of the ones that are issued through a meta bank is what you want to look for. That's just like I said, it just helps code it differently, so it's not flagging the systems, and it's a very small fee, $3.95 per credit card or per gift card, and sometimes you can buy up to $1,000 gift cards. Most of the time, they are $500. So I recommend doing this. It just takes time because you have to go to a mall, you have to buy gift cards, all that jazz. So there's a bunch of other lists of things, and then there's also discussions down here with people that are trying out these different methods. Some of them have recent responses just 1 year ago. Some of them are longer, like 3 years ago. So this is just one good forum. I'll let you go through this. If you want to learn about MS and just specifically this method, it's a great forum to follow. There's a lot of forums like these online, though, so this is not the only one. But once you get these cards, what do you do? Well, you need to liquidate them. And you actually, I didn't mention this, but you want to look for cards that are PIN enabled. So they look like a debit card. And once you have a PIN enabled gift card, you can go cash them out. Usually you're going to do a money order. So you actually just go to a store that does money orders and you just do a money order with the gift card. And then you just send that money to your bank account. Another website you can go to is this, bluebird.com. So you can add funds to a Bluebird account, send money for as little as $4. You can also get prepaid checks. You just create an account and you can fund your account with gift cards. One thing to know is that it's owned by American Express, so I wouldn't do this too often with whenever you're using like Amex accounts or like buying Amex gift cards. I would with an Amex credit card. I just wouldn't intermix these two. You can also go to Walmart. They'll help with like money transfers. There's a bunch of different ways that you can transfer funds, but this is one way to do it online. And like I said, you can go into stores and do money orders. You can also just use this in order to pay your bills. Like you don't actually have to go into a store, so you can just pay them through their portal here. Or you can go like access your cash at one of their ATMs. Most of the time, they are at Walmart locations.